Do you want to captivate the crowd like celebrities, be seen as exciting and fun to talk to, and just have this amazing first impression? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Here's a sneak peek into what you're about to learn in this video. These are the 3 charisma techniques we're going to explore today. Each technique is tied to a famous celebrity. So not only will you learn how to be more charismatic, but you will also get a glimpse into the charisma of The Rock, Tom Holland, also known as Spider-Man, and Denzel Washington. All right, so this is how it's gonna work. First, I'm gonna show you the scene without any commentary, then I'm gonna pause it, and then we're gonna break it down together. Okay, so this first one is from Tom Holland. This is from the movie Uncharted, and he is outside and he sees a girl, and I want you to watch how he opens the conversation.
Cigarette. Invented by Alfonso Cigaretti in 1462. I'm kidding, I don't really know who invented the cigarette.
You're kind of weird, but kind of cute too.
Okay, did you just see what happened? He didn't say hello, right? He avoided the hello. Very counterintuitive, but hello is not needed in a lot of scenarios when you're starting a conversation. In fact, I could argue it's probably making you more socially awkward when you say it. So he avoids the hello. Then what does he do? He finds something in common. He sees that she was smoking a cigarette, and although he was joking, he mentioned a fact, again, a joke, that he knew as a way to continue the conversation. So that's not super surface level where they're just exchanging small talk and pleasantries. That is a great example of how you can open the conversation with someone you're attracted to, or just a someone, whatever, just a random, right? Avoid saying hello, find something in common, and then discuss it. Simple. All right, now we're gonna tackle scene number 2, and I'm gonna show you how The Rock uplifts Kevin Hart by doing something that's so simple and so genuine, anybody can do it. And yes, I know Kevin Hart doesn't need to be uplifted, but it's still something that we can learn and pull from this video to have more charisma when we're interacting with others. So, per the usual, let me hit play and then we'll break it down.
Wayne, so I heard that your daughter is now in the WWE. She made her debut.
She made her debut in NXT, which was very cool.
Wow.
We talked about that. Yeah. So she had a promo, was her initial promo, and she did a great job. Nice and composed, which is always a key in that world, as you know, because you perform all the time in front of live people.
Okay, that was it. Now, in case you missed it, The Rock was asked about his daughter going on stage or something along those lines, right? And one thing that I really love about The Rock, regardless of his views on politics or the world, whatever, again, we're just studying charisma here. We don't need to agree with everything. He's always smiling. I love that about him. He's always exuding this positive, warm energy. So that's one of the first things I would take away from him and this interaction with Kevin Hart. By the way, all of these links to these clips I'm gonna have in the description in case you want to review it on your own. So he's always smiling. Then what I really love about it is he shares the credit with Kevin Hart. He says, hey, this is something you obviously know a lot about, right? Did you catch that?
Which is always a key in that world, as you know, because you perform all the time in front of live people.
You can see that he even touches Kevin Hart. And that's the third point I wanted to say when it comes to The Rock and this specific move. So he's smiling, he shares the credit, but he also intentionally touches the recipient, letting them know like, hey, this is actually, I'm talking about you. It provides a level of depth. Remember, we're human at the end of the day, regardless of your philosophy on touching or what have you. Great move by The Rock. Anybody that's on the other end of a compliment, especially a warm and genuine compliment like this, is gonna naturally feel uplifted. All right, and that is the second charisma technique. All right, finally, we're gonna go into Denzel Washington and this technique. And just to give you some context, this is another actor who's meeting Denzel Washington, I believe, for the first time. And Denzel Washington is walking on the red carpet, and this actor stops Denzel Washington. And I want you to see how Denzel Washington reacts.
Good performance.
Yo, thank you so much. Denzel.
Oh, hey.
Man,
He right there. You good?
I'm
Where
good,
you from?
man. I'm from LA.
Oh, yeah? Born and raised?
Born and raised.
All right, man.
I might be doing a movie with you soon, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
I'll see you at work.
Yeah, for sure.
Congratulations, Denzel.
Amazing interaction here. Number one, you can see that Denzel Washington asks him, where are you from? He is genuinely interested in him. right? And that's the technique. When you are genuinely interested in others, they will be interested in you. Now, I understand this is sort of an extreme example because he's a celebrity as well. The philosophy is still the same. Not only that, Denzel Washington, he's always smiling. He also held the handshake a little bit longer, showing that he's actually like genuinely interested. I mean, he was walking with someone. He didn't even acknowledge or notify the person like, hey, listen, I'm about to connect with this human being for the next 30 seconds. I'll get back to you or we'll continue walking. He was just totally locked in. You could see the authenticity from Denzel Washington. And then lastly, when Ashton Sanders, this actor, said, hey, I may be doing a movie with you soon, Denzel Washington, I mean, he could have been cocky, he could have been a little bit arrogant, but he was humble. Oh yeah? All right, I'll see you at the office then. Right, so authentic, so genuine. I mean, these are just quality interactions by these three celebrities, especially Denzel Washington here at the end, where he really shows how humble he is, and I really love that. When you are having these type of conversations, sometimes it can be challenging when you keep running out of things to say. If that is you, I encourage you to watch this video, how to never run out of things to say with anyone. You're gonna absolutely love this technique. Otherwise, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and like this video if you learned anything new, all right? I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.